Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So today we are going to make a keylogger with the help of the Python programming language. So it is really an interesting project. First of all, let's discuss what is a log. As we all know, log means to put some information as a written record. Now, what is a keylogger? See, keylogger is used mainly by the hackers because it keeps track of your records as you whenever you keystrokes whenever you type with the help of your keyboard. It is one of the malicious activity to take an excess of your private information. It is used by an employer and by parents also sometimes. See, employers are used this keylogger to monitor the employee activities, whereas the parents use to track the actions of their children. So basically, this project is really useful for us. Now, how do we keep record of our keystrokes? We are going to maintain one text file where we are going to write the time when you have pressed that particular key. Okay, we're going to maintain that text file. Now, it is really a fascinating project to learn. Okay, now let's discuss what do we need for this project. As we all know, there must be a library for keylogger, that is input. It is really an essential library. It helps in capturing the keyboard inputs. Okay. Secondly, we are using an abstract class, that is listener. Now, what is that? That is an abstract class. Now, why we use the listener class here? Because we need to receive notifications. We need to receive notification when anyone presses any key. Okay, we are able to receive notification with the help of this class, that is the listener class. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we are going to do the coding part in our IDE. Okay, now let's start with the coding part. Okay, first of all, I'm going to import pineboot dot keyboard and import key comma listener. Then afterwards, I'm going to import logging because it helps in keeping track of all the notifications. Now next, I'm going to here specify the logging directory where I'm going to store the time and the keystroke. So I made a text file inside the D drive. So I'm going to give the path D text file named as keylog.txt. Now next, logging dot basic config, where I'm going to put the file name, which is equal to the log directory. Then I need to specify the level, that is logging. We need to debug the logging part. Then we need to specify the format, how we are going to store the data inside the text file. Next, I'm going to define the function, that is on press. Whenever we press the key, we will receive the notification, which is handled by the listener abstract class. Logging dot info, which key is pressed. Now, with the help of the listener class, whenever the key is pressed, on press equal to on press okay, as listener, listener dot join means we are going to join all the notifications. Okay, now we are done with the coding part. Now let's run this project. Run Keylogger Python. Now our project is running. Now I'm going to type something. See, this is our Internet Explorer. I'm going to type Google here. Okay, now I want to search something about Python. Right, now let's see how our keystrokes stored in our text file, which is named as keylog.txt, which is present in the D drive. Now let's check. Let's go to the D drive. So it is a D drive. Let's search the keylog text. So this is the keylog. Now let's open this. See, here the time where I have pressed G, O, then backspace, Python, enter. So you have seen this text file where there is a record of all the keystrokes and the time period. This is the date, this is the time. On this 8:52, the times are in milliseconds. Okay, the time is in milliseconds. I hope it is clear to all of you. So thank you.